like a Hellcat.
Hello guys, Brian Pleasure back again with another video. So today this might be a bit of an unusual video. Of course it's an unusual video. That's like almost every video of mine. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Hot Wheels original Mathematical Instruments box. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open it with one hand. That's right, that's how skilled I am. That's how skilled. What? Go away, box. We don't need you. And this is the part that comes inside. I have a beautiful Hot Wheels sticker on it. It's a nice box. It's a nice plastic. If we open it, right off the bat, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the timetable. This is a very nice timetable. It has a big car on it. It says time, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even Saturday for, some people that also go to school or work on Saturday. And next off, we have this ruler. We have rulers. That's very nice. Very nice. We have our, I don't know what you call this type of scale, but it's also very neatly made. But if you guys know what you call it, then you guys tell me in the comments below. We have this very nice protractor. The protractor is transparent, very nice. We have the squares. We have the set square. It sets your square. If that makes any sense. No, it doesn't. So I'm going to put that there. 4. We have this compass looking thingy. This is not a compass. I don't know what you call this, but if you guys know, again, tell me in the comments. We have a beautiful sharpener that comes with it. I haven't used it. And we even have a Hot Wheels little, what do you call it? Eraser. It's a small little eraser. It's very small. Like, I'm making it seem very big. And an Xbox 360 controller. And this is the eraser. This is my mouse. That's the keyboard right there. So let's just take this for comparison. Here's my monitor. Like the size. There's a bit of a size difference, guys. So it's a very small that. We also have a little pencil. Are you kidding me, pencil? You want to be like that? A little pencil. It says radius on it. If you guys can read that, yeah. It says radius on it. Very nice, very nice. And you can have a little a set square. These things are. This is a very nice quality set square. No, not set square, compass, sorry. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.